Mzansi Racing DevLog 3. Let's get right into it. Alright, new vehicle added to the game, and that's the Quantum. It's this country's most beloved taxi. I'm pretty sure it's the most popular taxi in the country. Look at it. It's good. It's so good. It's actually even fun to drive. Although it is kind of like prone to like rolling over a lot, but that can be easily fixed. But it is fun to drive. Now, we encountered our first big problem of the game. The camera system. This was so difficult. Let me take you through a little journey. First off, I did not know what to do. So then I was like, maybe let me take a week off to like study GD script like fully. But then I kind of realized that that's not really gonna help me a lot. What I needed to make the camera was like the tools available that I can use in the code rather than just learning code or just learning everything about the code. I just needed like specific tools which would help me finish this camera system like way quicker rather than like trying to like summarize the entire coding language, which might not help me a lot. So that's what I did. I instead tried looking for like tools and like techniques, which actually ended up being quite helpful. So the first version of the camera, terrible. It was simple. Yeah, and that's why it was terrible. Basically, if you press left or right, the camera will turn in that direction, which is almost what I want, but it does mean that any little turn you make, the camera is like almost shifting and then returning back to center. Yeah, it was terrible. And then I found a video which had a link to download a car physics pack or like a car game template. But then the only thing I wanted was the camera. I wanted to see like how they did it. So I got it, and before I even saw how they did it, I just implemented the camera into the game, and it was actually good. But it didn't like fit the style that I really wanted to, which is like a GTA 4 type of camera style, which is like, you know, the camera is like slightly offset. And also I kind of figured like it would be wrong just to like, you know, take somebody's camera system and just put it in my game. Even if it was free, I still wasn't gonna do that. And like I said before, this game is an opportunity to learn. So I reverse engineered the code and broke it down into like, you know, dummy terms so that I could understand it. And which I did, and I recreated the camera, but I just basically recreated the same thing, same but different. But it still didn't have that look. It still didn't have like that GTA 4 type of look and feel. But then I found a solution. But there is still like an issue with the camera when using the taxi, is that when you reverse, it still doesn't look all that good. But I already have a solution in mind, and then I'll be implementing it like I don't know when. Probably soon, probably today even. And that's what I did since the last devlog. Hope you enjoyed and catch you in the next one. See ya. Very cool.